Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another PinchMe.com unboxing to share with you guys. So in case you have missed it, I have talked about PinchMe on my channel several times now. I will link the most recent video above, but essentially what PinchMe.com does, they are a free sample service. So you sign up and you fill out like a profile just so they know a little bit more about your household, like whether or not you have children, whether or not you have pets, so they can customize the samples they offer to you based on that information. But it is free to sign up. Before we get into what PinchMe is and what I got in my PinchMe box here, I did want to let you guys know, as always, full disclosure on my channel, this video is sponsored by PinchMe.com. I have worked with them in the past, and I have also mentioned this company several times even before they ever knew who I was. I think it's a fantastic company, and you guys know me, I only choose to work with companies that I am familiar with and that I already enjoy using. So I definitely highly recommend checking out PinchMe.com. I think it's a fantastic way to try products out for free. Once you have your account all set up, they do have their Sample Tuesday once a month, and they'll send you a reminder, but I always recommend to know when that is in advance. Don't wait for the reminder, otherwise you'll probably be too late, because the samples do go really fast. It used to be, like when I talked about this on my channel like 3 years ago, I want to say, when I first discovered them, a lot of people didn't know about them. It used to be really easy to get samples. Now it is a little bit trickier. You do have to be on top of it. So make sure that you are ready to go when Sample Tuesday comes along, because there's always really good stuff. They have awesome brands that they work with. And like I said, it's completely free. These are free samples that they are sending to you. The only thing they require is that you do a quick survey after you use the product. And when I say survey, it's not one of those like 10-minute surveys per item. They ask you like 3 or 4 questions about each item, and that's it. And they're multiple choice. You don't have to fill out a long description about every single item. I've used other sample services that make it so inconvenient it's not worth the free samples, but PinchMe is so easy to use. It really truly is free, and it doesn't take a ton of work in order to do the surveys at the end. This service is only available to the US, so if you are not living in the US, I'm really sorry. They do only right now ship to the US, so you do have to have a US based address. But they have all kinds of different samples. I'm going to show you the box that they sent me has just a variety of different things you can expect to see on their site. Now you might not see all of these items because, like I said, they have you fill out that survey and they kind of cater it to what you're looking for. But some of the things I've gotten from them before is like cleaning supplies. I've gotten pet treats before. I've gotten food items like granola bars, coupons for free food. One time I got like a coupon for free lunch meat that you can go redeem in store. What other things? They have beauty products quite often. I've gotten like full-size OPI nail polishes from them before and stuff like that. So they have amazing products, but I do want to show you guys what they sent me, because they actually sent me a pretty decent sized box here with quite a few products in here, so I can show you what types of things you can expect to get from them. Okay, so the first thing that was, oh, let me show you the box. This is the box. But like I said, normally, like when I was using this just like as a regular customer, just going on their site and filling things out, usually the box is like the size of a BoxyCharm, if you've ever seen a BoxyCharm box. And usually you get like 3 to 5 items in your box, depending on how quick you are and which ones you qualify for. But this box is not the typical box that you would get, because this is for influencers, but it just gives you an idea of what kind of stuff you can expect to get. So the first thing I have in my box is from Blue Diamonds. These are called the Mini Nut Thins. They are little almond and rice crackers. That's awesome. I love when I get these little types of packs that are good for like throwing in my kid's lunchbox or in my sending with my husband to work as a snack, things like that. Those are very convenient. There is some more food items in here as well. It looks like there are some of these RX bars for kids. Are they both the, yeah. This one here is Berry Blast. So it says it has 2 egg whites, 4 almonds, 5 cashews, 1 date, and no bad stuff. So it's like all natural. And then they sent me this one too, which has the chocolate chip flavor. Oh, and there's one more, it looks like, hiding in here. And this one is the apple cinnamon raisin. So those look really fun. I don't know if my kids will like them because they are really picky, but I will definitely try. All right, the next thing that came in my box is from Olay. This is the Luminous Whip, long lasting Light as Air Active Moisturizer. I haven't even seen this before. That is really awesome. It says it's for toning and pore perfecting results, but it's a lightweight moisturizer. So really excited to try that out. I don't use a ton of drugstore skincare because I just have so much high-end skincare, but it will be nice to try something from the drugstore. Okay, next up in my box here came this Dr. Sheffield's Certified Natural Toothpaste. It says it is fluoride free and it has extra whitening in it, and it does look like a full size on this one as well as the last product. I have received, like I already mentioned, some full size products from them before. Like before I was getting the influencer box, I have received full size products from them before. So they do from time to time have full size available, but that's definitely something I will get some use out of. All right, and then the last thing that came in my box is this set here. Again, these do look to be full sizes. These are from Garnier. These are the Whole Blends Gentle Shampoo and Conditioner, so it came as a set. So you guys know with my struggles with hair products, I won't be using these on myself, but my kids will definitely use them. So yeah, this says it is a gentle conditioner. It has oat milk and rice cream extract. So I will be trying out all of these products for sure. One of the things, like I mentioned already, is that you do need to try them out so you can do reviews. But if you have something like a situation like this where you won't use it for yourself, but you might have a family member use it, you can always ask your family member for opinions. Like these kids bars, my kids might eat this, and then I would just ask them, hey, what did you think of that bar? Was it good? And then when they ask you the questions on PinchMe's website, you can just fill in the information based on what your family told you. All right, you guys, so that is everything that came in my PinchMe box. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Definitely check out pinchme.com if you have not already. Like I mentioned, I've been using them for years, and I think it's a fantastic sampling service. If you like free samples, if you like trying new things for free, definitely check them out. And thank you guys so much for watching today. Once again, thank you to PinchMe for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.